Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. This video is for each and every student who is applying to Christ University for their master's program. So if you're applying for MSc in psychology or MCA or economics or even MBA, please make sure that you watch this video till the very end because I have been getting a lot of doubts from you people regarding the courses with exams, non-exams, preparation, all of that, and I thought I will cover each and everything in this particular video itself. Just in case if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and pressing the bell icon. Trust me, my channel will be your go-to guide whenever it comes to college preparations, material, each and everything. And at the same time, if you find this video to be useful, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. Now I'll take you to my computer screen where I'll cover each and every doubt that you have and give you all the information that you need. Okay, so guys, I have opened up the official website of Christ University, and on the right here, you can see the postgraduate programs. This is where you'll get all the important details regarding your PG programs. As you can see here, the last date to fill in the form is 25th of February 2024 for the first round, and this round is going to be conducted on the 2nd of March onwards. On the 2nd of March, courses that have an entrance test, their entrance test is going to happen. And likewise, on the 2nd of March, for the courses other than MBA, MSc psychology programs, educational psychology and MCA, you will have your selection process, which includes skill assessment, micro presentation and personal interview. At the same time, guys, there are some courses that have AU. AU stands for audition. So there are a few master's programs that have an audition, and for that you'll have to appear for audition. Followed by that, there is a skill assessment, micro presentation and personal interview, and your results will be out by the 4th of March 2024. For those who were confused whether this process is going to be offline or online, guys, this process is going to be offline in the centers of Christ University, which is primarily their campuses itself. So there is Bangalore Central Campus, Bangalore BGR Campus, Kengeri Campus, Yashwantpur Campus, and their two off campuses, Delhi NCR and Pune Lavasa. One major doubt that I was getting from people was that, bhaiya, we stay in Delhi, but we want to apply for Bangalore. So can we give the whole process from Delhi itself? Guys, the answer to that question is yes, you can do that. It's not that just because you want to study in the Bangalore campus, you need to come to Bangalore only to give the entrance test. If the other two off campuses, maybe for somebody Pune Lavasa is very near, maybe for somebody else Delhi NCR is very near, so you can appear for the whole process in Delhi NCR or Pune Lavasa, whereas you will be applying for the seat in Bangalore campus and they will let you know whether you've been selected for the Bangalore campus or not. I hope that is clear to each one of you. Followed by that, for all the courses other than MSc psychology programs, education psychology and MCA, your round 2 is happening on the 20th of April 2024. The last day to apply for that round is 14th of April, as you can see on the screen, and 20th of April is when you'll have the whole process, and the results will be out by the 23rd of April 2023. I hope that is clear. Now for courses that fall under MSc psychology, educational psychology and MCA that have an entrance test, your whole process is going to start in April. On the 7th of April, you will have your entrance test, which is going to be a center-based entrance test, and these centers are available in all tier 2, tier 3 and tier 1 cities. Maybe some cities are not included in this list, but once you fill in the form, you'll know the details of where your center is going to be. The last day to apply for this round is 30th of March 2024. After that, the whole interview, skill assessment and micro presentation is going to happen from the 14th of April 2024 to 17th of April 2024. And in this, there are all the centers along with a Kolkata center as well. So there is a center in Kolkata and the address of this will be shared with you super soon. The results will be out on the 17th of April itself. So on the last date of the selection process, they will let you know who have been selected or not. Same is the case with round 2 for MSc psychology programs and MCA. That is, the last day to apply for that is 4th of May 2024. Entrance test is going to happen on the 11th of May and the whole process is going to happen from the 14th of May till the 17th of May 2024. Guys, I will be putting down the link in the description below of my personal sessions. So please take help of Personal Interview 101, where I will take mocks and I'll tell you what are the kind of questions that are asked, and likewise shape your answers in such a manner that you get selected at Christ University. Trust me, I've done that with more than thousands of students. Same is the case with decoding micro presentation for all the people who want to prepare for micro presentations, who do not have a lot of confidence, who cannot speak confidently, who have no clue about micro presentations. Please check out that session. Same is the case with skill assessment. I am hosting regular skill assessment webinars, so please check out and jump on the next webinar as soon as possible for the same. Now guys, here is the list of the courses that do not have an entrance test, and please take a screenshot of this. Majority of the master's program at Christ do not have an entrance test. So whether it's an MA in performing arts or MA in economics or MA in applied sociology or MSc in clinical and community practice, MSW human resource development and management, Masters of Science Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, MSc Data Science, which is again a very famous course of Christ University, or even the science courses, MCom International Finance, Masters MSc in Strategic Management, MBA Bangalore, MBA with MS, MBA with German MBA, MA in English and Cultural Studies. For MBA, people know that you have to give either of the competitive exams, whether it's a CAT, MAT, CMAT, GMAT, GRE, and I know so many MBA students have already consulted me for the same. So MBA process is a little different, but for all the other programs, you don't have an entrance test at all. So you can relax on this, guys. Again, I'll be putting down the link in the description below of this page, so you can take a screenshot of it or refer to it later. I'm pretty sure majority of the programs don't fall under this criteria, so you can relax. You only have to appear for an interview, micro presentation and a skill assessment, and for all these things, please prepare really well, because your admission literally depends on these three things. Now moving to the programs that have an entrance test, again a small list, but firstly, MA in Media and Communication Studies, they have an entrance test. All the MSc psychology related programs have an entrance test, whether it's in education psychology, neurology, clinical, counseling, HRDM, health and well-being, psychology and HRDM, with MA in business and organization psychology. All the psychology programs have an entrance test. Same is the case with MCA. So I was getting a lot of doubts from people who are appearing or who are applying for Christ University for MCA. Guys, you have an entrance test, and within a few minutes I will exactly tell you the pattern of your entrance test as well. Same is the case with MSc in biotechnology, botany and zoology, MSc mathematics, MSc forensic science, and all the LLM programs also have an entrance test. So LLM for constitutional and administrative law, corporate and commercial law, intellectual property and trade law, all these programs have an entrance test. So in case if your course falls under this criteria, you have to appear for an entrance test. Now what is going to be the entrance test pattern? Guys, please take a screenshot of this. Very important. Just yesterday I had somebody in my personal guidance and doubt clearing session who was appearing for MSc in psychology, and she did not have a clue of the fact that there is an entrance test. She was only appearing or preparing for the interview, but no guys, there is a full-fledged entrance test, and this is not a hunky-dory entrance test like you'll find in a lot of the UG programs of Christ. This is a full-fledged knowledge-based program. So only and only if you're good in your field, you can answer and do well in this entrance test. That is the reason specifically for courses that have an entrance test in master's program, so many people get rejected, because they take their entrance test, their interviews and their micro presentations very lightly, and I don't want you to do that. Firstly, for MSc in clinical psychology, you have general psychology of 20 marks, biological psychology of 20 marks, social psychology of 20 marks, abnormal psychology of 20 marks, research techniques 20 marks, and cognitive psychology 20 marks. So guys, it is completely based on your knowledge of psychology. Same is the case with other psychology programs. You can take a screenshot of this. The part B really depends on which program have you applied. Part A remains common: basic psychology, research aptitude, general aptitude, general knowledge, ethical concerns. Whereas part B for counseling people will be counseling psychology. For HRDM people will be human resource management and industrial/organizational psychology, 15 marks each. Same is the case with other programs, whether it's an MSc Psychology, Health and Wellbeing, MSc Neuropsychology, MSc Clinical Psychology, MSc Botany. Guys, please take a screenshot of this. There's biodiversity of plants of 10 marks, plant taxonomy and cinematics of 10 marks, cell biology and genetics of 10 marks, molecular biology of 5 marks, plant psychology and metabolism of 10 marks, plant embryology and anatomy of 5 marks, and environment science of 10 marks. MSc Zoology, MSc Biotechnology, MSc Forensic Science. And coming to again to me, one of the most asked doubts from MCA. Guys, this is your pattern for MCA. MCA in Mathematics you have of 30 marks, MCA Analytical Ability and Logical Reasoning 35 marks, MCA in basic computer science 25 marks, MCA general English 30 marks, makes it to a total of 120 questions. For MSc in mathematics, subject specific written aptitude of 30 minutes is going to happen, and for LLM people, subject specific written aptitude of 60 minutes is going to happen. Guys, this is purely on your knowledge. So for all the people who are appearing for master's program, please brush up on whatever you've studied in your undergrad and all these things in order to prepare really well. There are books that are available on Amazon and you can check it out as well. If you want to refer to free YouTube videos, you are most welcome to do it, but please prepare well. Same is the case with interviews and micro presentations. Unlike an undergrad interview, these interviews are pretty hardcore. Please check my interview preparation 101 if you want to prepare really well. We have all the questions that are asked in each of these courses, and I'll ask you exactly those questions so that you can prepare yourself really very well. So please check out the interview preparation 101. I will be putting down the link in the description below. The rules remain the same. You need to reach the center 30 minutes before. No cheating allowed. Make sure that you have your ID card. There is negative marking, so please prepare well. Don't worry guys, in the upcoming videos I will also tell you and share with you a lot of preparation strategy and material so that you can prepare well. But as of now, this is all the important information that you need, and get going, because it's high time that you all start preparing. So yes guys, that's about it for this particular video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. Before I go, I just want to tell you all to please check the link in the description below for my personal sessions. You can see me for interview preparation 101. You can see me for decoding micro presentation, which is to help you prepare for micro presentations. At the same time, you can even see me for personal guidance and doubt clearing session. In case if you have any doubts relating to your career, which course you should choose, which college you should choose, each and everything, you can see me there. And I'm pretty sure it will be the best investment you will ever make. I'll see you all with another video. Take care guys. Bye-bye.